A very warm welcome, everyone. Thank you for joining in. In today's HOMAG Newsflash, we're going to be taking a look back at this past challenging year full of exciting projects and great successes. We'd like to share some of our most special moments with all of you. I hope you enjoy our end-of-year review and allow it to inspire you. One of your, and definitely one of my highlights this year was LIGNA. The atmosphere was incredible. Anyone attending in Hanover could clearly feel the innovative power of the world's leading trade fair for woodworking. And I too had some pretty cool encounters there. Have a look. Nothing but good vibes here in the HOMAG Hall. How have you been enjoying the atmosphere?
It's really exciting. It's my first LIGNA indeed.
We took our visitors on the way to a secret lab, 150 meters below zero. And then we have 3 labs to different topics.
Hi Jasmine.
Hi, Fabian. Sharing passion. That's exactly what we have experienced here. A lot of people sharing a whole lot of passion.
We've come over from Australia with HOMAG.
We're from Panama. We've been here 5 or 6 times. The new models comes with more gadgets, more adjustments.
Yeah, brilliant.
Right, and if you still simply cannot get enough of LIGNA and HOMAG, I highly recommend the series HOMAG On the Way to LIGNA. Along with Fabian Hornstein, it features lots of exclusive insights into the world of HOMAG and also into the preparation work for LIGNA. But LIGNA was not the only highlight in 2023. Following hot on the heels of LIGNA, June saw the HOMAG Window Days. Customers from all over the world came to find out about the latest in HOMAG window production technology. The most important topics: data provision, glass bonding technology, and the right software. These are also available for new warehouses on the 2nd floor and the double-decker warehouse. Your warehouse grows with your requirements, and that is why HOMAG is expanding its portfolio with the introduction of HOMAG's own single-axle feeder, the StoreTech F100. There is also a second-level storage system, the StoreTech P310, P510, and the StoreTech P320, 520 double-deck storage system. The advantages are high reliability and availability, all of this made possible by the leading storage software, WoodStore. Another 2023 highlight is the EdgeTech S500 narrow parts machine. It allows particularly narrow workpieces, right down to a minimum width of 40 millimeters, to be processed with very high precision. This is ideal when you're producing smaller fronts and panels. You can also switch between different profiles automatically. WEINMANN welcomed its guests to the in-house exhibition in St. Johann under the motto, "The A to Z for your timber framing needs." The industry meeting for timber construction provided many opportunities to exchange ideas with experts and partners. In addition to various live demonstrations, such as the WallTech M300, attendees had the chance to expand networks with partners from software, fastening devices, tools, and much, much more. And yes, there really was a lot going on in 2023. Someone who can surely confirm that is the CEO of the HOMAG Group, Dr. Daniel Schmidt. Hi there, Dr. Schmidt. Now, we've just seen that the LIGNA was a great success, so many enthusiastic customers and lots of innovations. How would you personally describe your HOMAG year in 2023?
Yeah, LIGNA was definitely a great show for us. We have presented ourselves in the best possible way. Our own people were enthusiastic. Our customers had good feedback for us. We had very good discussions with our customers at LIGNA. Yeah, it was a success overall. The whole year of 2023 showed a mixed picture. On the one hand side, we started the year with a good backlog, which we turned into revenues and profit, so that was the good part. On the other hand, we saw declining order intakes across the world, which makes us looking to the future with mixed feelings.
So that was looking back, but how about when we look forward into the future? I know that service is something that the customers always clearly rely on at HOMAG. What is new in that area?
Yeah, service is extremely important for our customers, and it is extremely important for us. We have developed new products, mainly also predictive services in the course of the year, but we also strengthened our teams. And our teams have really worked hard to satisfy the service demands of our customers. And despite the very difficult market environment, we were able actually to grow our services.
Now that is very good news. Something else that is not news to anyone is the fact that the market is becoming more and more challenging. How are you reacting to that challenge at HOMAG?
Yeah, the market has definitely become more challenging. After 2 record years, we see declining order intakes. And what does that mean for us? We still want to be very close to our customers. We still want to increase our services and help our customers being successful. And at the same time, we want to push innovations forward. So when the crisis is over, we are stronger than we are today.
Dr. Schmidt, thank you so much for your very open answer. Now, last but not least, what are you looking forward to when it comes to the new year, to 2024?
Yeah, in 2024, I'm looking forward to a lot of new customer discussions, of meetings, also physical meetings with our customers, good discussions. IWF is a big event for us in the US, and I will certainly attend in person. And then again, driving innovation forward, and especially driving digital innovation forward.
Thank you so much, Dr. Schmidt. And a huge thank you to you, all of our viewers out there. Your support means a great deal to us. So we do hope you've enjoyed our review of this challenging yet very exciting year. Until we meet again for our next HOMAG Newsflash, we wish you all the best and look forward to seeing you again in 2024. Until then, take care, everyone. Bye.